Aphonia, or loss of voice, is far more common than we think. It could happen when you get an injury, swelling, disease, or simply put too much effort into activities like teaching or singing. 12,370 new cases of laryngeal cancer were diagnosed in the US in 2020. This means lots of people are losing their voices right now. Patients usually use the handheld electrolarynx to restore the lost voice, but the voice generated is unnatural and the device itself is inconvenient to use. To find a better solution, Japanese engineer Takeuchi Masaki developed Syrinx, an artificial larynx that mimics the wearer's former voice. It consists of an electrolarynx transducer and a sound actuator to capture the vibrations of the wearer's throat and make sounds accordingly. The wearer can upload his or her past voice to Syrinx's platform. A voice processing tool will analyze that voice, making the generated voice sound closer to the real thing. So that people who had their larynx removed due to cancer can speak with their voices again. The device's wearable design also makes it more portable and easy to use.
自宅でスマートでハンズフリーでそういうのがあるっていうのはちょっとワクワクするっていうか、個人的には患者さんに夢を与えられるものになってほしいなっていうふうに思ってますけれど。
Syrinx is Japan's national winner of the James Dyson Award 2020. It sets an example of how wearable technology will reshape the healthcare industry.